Welcome to Mexico Services.
This car park has been taken over. Really cool, stunning Anglia. Literally dripping in carbon. It's that time, is it?
Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, this is my beautiful girlfriend Kat, and this evening we're taking Esther, my SD170 powered Mk1 Escort, to a car meet. This meet has been organised by a relatively new car group called Surrey Classics. I know the admins to this group and they love to burn rubber, so potentially this could be quite an exciting evening. We'll just have to wait and see. I will leave links in the description to the social media for Surrey Classics, but yeah, looking forward to getting to the meet to see who has come out to play this evening. Welcome to Mexico Services.
Alright, well, definitely a decent turnout at this meet this evening. This is their third meet. They're doing them once a month, and apparently this is the best turnout so far. And yeah, this whole sort of end of this car park has been taken over by really cool old school motors. Now, I heard a rumour that we're going to go and have a Nando's, so I'm going to quickly run around and give you a closer look at some of the cars that are here this evening. Absolutely loving this Mordor Mark II. Seen this before. Looks absolutely stunning. Next to that, really cool Mk1 Estate, and next to that, a really cool Orion. Love the kit on it and stuff. Another Orion over here that belongs to Barry. Next to that, really cool Mordor Mk1 Escort, and then next to that, a very familiar Mark II Fiesta XR2 rally car that was on our stand at the Classic Ford show. Got Jay's Ratlook Sierra over here. Absolutely love this thing. And check out what he's done with the wheels. Really cool. Sort of splatter effect. Gotta love a Ratlook Estate Sierra. A couple of more modern bits over here. Scooby and an Evo. And next to those, really cool Saf Cozzy. Absolutely loving those Compomotive rims. Another Scooby next to that. And then we've got not one, not two, but 3 100Es next to each other. I'm sure I've seen this one before. I think when we went to the day at the races, this one is very familiar to me. Belongs to the guy that has the 4 AGE powered Mk1 Escort. And I think he converted it to manual recently. It's got a Capri V6 lump in it. And then this thing, actually saw a video of this on Facebook yesterday. Is it yours? It's got MX5 turbo lump in it, no? Yeah, absolutely love this thing, including the grille, which I know isn't to everyone's taste, and really like those arches as well. A nice change from the Escort bubble arches that people normally put on these things. But yeah, really cool to see this in person for the first time. Yeah, really cool. Love a 100E and this MX5 turbo, just like my friend Lee Booth is doing to his 100E. Got my piece of junk over here parked next to Kareem's Mk1 Escort. Really cool to see this thing. This is a very, very familiar Mark II. Seen this all over the internet. as well as the one parked behind it. Pretty sure that one's got a Honda lump in it. This one, if I remember rightly, is Cosy powered, and a cheeky Ferrari sitting in the corner as well. Yeah, this thing's an absolute beast. Loving the carbon arches on it, carbon spoiler, carbon bumper. Check out the exhaust coming out of the rear panel. Yeah, this thing is all over the internet, as I say. Absolute weapon. Check out this beautiful 105E Anglia. Love the colour. And check out the split rims on it with the colour-coded bolt things and centre cap. Yeah, really nice rims. This is a seriously smart Anglia. Really cool. Cage as well. And in the engine bay, got a Honda lump running on throttle bodies. Really tidy engine bay as well. Stunning Anglia. Yeah, love that Anglia. Cheeky RS2000 Mark II sitting over here. Cheeky Mexico Mark II sitting over here. Yet another 100E, grey with the red interior. How cool is that? Loving the tartan seat cover on the back as well. What's that, 400Es at this meet? And a Mark 1 Mexico sitting over here. Really cool. All right, back over to the other side. We'll continue where we left off with a really cool Mark 1 with a Z-Tech turbo lump in the bay. Awesome. Next to that, very familiar Mark 1 Fiesta. Project Smoothie, as it's called, that belongs to Dean. I've said it so many times before. Absolutely love this thing. Love the grey and orange colour scheme. Really cool. Got to say as well, a new cool touch is the feature that's been made out of this unfortunate incident that happened to this thing. Next to that, very familiar Mark III Cortina estate that belongs to Matt. And since the last time we saw this, he's freshened up the engine bay, given the engine bay a repaint, and it's got another lump in it. I think this is probably his third or fourth engine. Yeah, he does go through them, but yeah, really like the British Racing Green rocker covers on it instead of the colour-coded red ones that were on it before. Next to that, Mark 1 with an 1100L badge, but I'm pretty sure this hasn't got an 1100 cross-flow in it. Check out those rims. Awesome. And a really, really, really mint, tidy interior. Yeah, proper mint Mark 1, but I really doubt it has got an 1100 in it. Check out the El Camino, just sitting there chilling, next to a familiar Ford T-Bucket. We saw this at the Ford show at Santa Pod recently, and next to that, we've got, I have no idea. Oh yeah, this is a Spartan. My good friend John used to have one of these. I should have known what this thing is. And next along, a cheeky Series 2 RS Turbo. Literally dripping in carbon. Carbon bonnet, carbon wing mirrors, carbon roof. Yeah, love that. And it's sitting on Escort Cosy rims as well. Yeah, really cool Series 2 RS. Check out the very tasty 3-door Cosy that has arrived since we went and got something to eat, and a couple of people have opened their engine bays while we were away as well. Check out Kareem's Harris Crossflow in a Mark 1. Check out Jay's bike carbed Z-Tech. How does he make the alloy cover go rusty? And check out the homemade water rail as well. Love that. It's that time, is it?
So can't wait to get a slipper. another burnout.
The springs on it.
See ya. Alright, well that was certainly an eventful car meet. Really cool to check out the Surrey Classics meet for the first time. Got to check out loads of cars that I've already seen, a couple that I'd only seen on the internet up until this evening, and yeah, it was awesome to chat to all the guys that had come out. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be the last time we hook up with the Surrey Classics group. In fact, they're doing a coastal run this weekend, which we might tag along to. Stay tuned to the channel for that video if we do make that trip. But right now we need to head back towards West London, and then Kat can jump in Lenny, her Focus, and then we're both going to make our way home. So massive thanks to everyone who's tuned into this video. I will of course leave the social media links in the description to the Surrey Classics. Definitely yeah, check out some of their meets if you get the chance. Yeah, I'll leave links in the description to my social media as well. Feel free to follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. I'll leave a link to my website and the Petrolhead Style website in the description, and as always I'll leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks as always to my patrons for your ongoing support, but other than that, until next time, from me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat, thanks for watching.